If you're a freelancer, 1099 contractor, consultant, real estate agent, creator, or small business owner, you may be wondering, can I deduct business meals? The answer is sometimes, but not every meal is a business meal. Here's the plain English rule. A meal may be deductible if it has a real business purpose. You or your employee are present, the cost isn't lavish or extravagant, and you keep proper records. And here's the big one. In most cases, business meals are only 50% deductible. So a qualified $100 business meal may be a $50 deduction, not the full 100. So what may count? A meal with a client, customer, vendor, or business contact may count if there's a clear business purpose, like meeting a potential client to discuss a project or a contract. A meal while you're traveling away from home for business may also qualify at that same 50%, depending on the facts. But here's where people slip up. Your regular lunch during the workday usually isn't deductible just because you're self-employed. Eating while you answer emails doesn't make it business. Coffee while you work alone doesn't automatically count. And meals with family or friends aren't business meals without a real business purpose. Another big mistake is confusing meals with entertainment. Entertainment is generally not deductible, even if you talk business. So a concert or sporting event with a client may not be deductible, but a meal purchased separately may be treated differently depending on your records. So what records do you keep? For each business meal, save the receipt and write down the date, amount, location, who attended, and the business purpose. Don't just keep a receipt that says restaurant. Note why it was business. Here's a summary. A business meal may be deductible if it's ordinary, necessary, directly connected to your business, not lavish and documented. But personal meals, regular lunches, and entertainment aren't automatically deductible. And even qualified business meals are usually only 50%. So, a real business purpose, keep good records, and remember most business meals are only 50% deductible. And remember, this is the federal rule. Your state may differ. This is general education, not tax advice, so check with a pro. Subscribe to the Tax Breakdown for tax rules in plain English.